Hey guys, so we are starting our trek from Dharwad to Dudhsagar Falls, which is in Goa, and we have with us Dr. Shifalika, Apurba, and Vivek. You can see our mildly sad faces over here.
No, I'm not sad.
Okay, we're very happy because अभी क्या हुआ है कि
वीडियो ऑन कर दे।
अरे ऑन है रे। अभी हम लोगों को ट्रेन का टिकट नहीं मिला है, तो हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हम लोग ऐसे ही चढ़ के बस ट्रैवल कुछ तो तूफानी करके ट्रैवल करेंगे।
बालू भाई है हमारे पास।
हाँ,
बालू है।
देखते क्या
बालू
रहता
है।
ओके, वी
Stay
गाइस विल
tuned
कीप
to
यू
find
पोस्टेड।
out.
बाय बाय, सी यू, बाय बाय। सो वी आर स्ट्रैंडेड एट द धारवाड़ स्टेशन, धारवाड़ रेलवे स्टेशन, एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द ट्रेन। जैसी ट्रेन आएगी हम उसमें विदाउट टिकट चढ़ के चले जाएंगे। यस, हाय डॉक्टर जी, हाय डॉक्टर जी, यस व्हाट्स अप, यस हाय विवेक। वहाँ पे डॉक्टर शिवालिका सिन्हा अपना प्राइसी एक्ट कर रही हैं, एंड देखते हैं। लेट्स जस्ट होप दैट हम लोग ट्रेन में बैठ सकते हैं। एंड यस 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 डॉक्टर जी, यस।
My bad.
सर So we have reached Kulem station right now, and we will be starting our trek in a while now. We'll keep you guys posted. See you, bye bye. So now we've started our trek towards the Dudhsagar Falls, and we're on the railway track right now, and it's I think around 5 o'clock, and it's a very good weather, so we'll keep you posted. See ya, bye bye. We've reached midway through our trek to Dudhsagar Falls, and the scenery over here is really fascinating. We have Vivek, Apurba, and Shifalika with us, and other people. Lots of people come here for the trek, and I think there's around 3 to 4 more kilometers left. After which we'll have breakfast, and after the breakfast we will have to go for one last 3-kilometer trek to see the Dudhsagar Waterfalls. So I'll see you guys when I stop for breakfast. See you, bye bye. एकदम sun-kissed. Hey guys, so we finally reached the place where we are gonna have breakfast, and we've trekked around 8 to 9 kilometers. This is Dr. Apurva Gupta.
What's up?
Hey, hi. कैसा रहा अभी तक का?
It's amazing.
10
kilometers
मैं
for
8
Poha.
बोला रे।
Okay,
8 हुआ है, 8 हुआ है। Plus minus 2 plus for Poha, yes. वहाँ पे डॉक्टर शिफालिका अपना व्लॉगिंग कर रही है, मस्त क्रेजी। Okay.
Crazy.
Now I'll see you at the waterfall. Bye bye. Hey. So finally we've reached the first viewpoint of Dudhsagar Waterfalls, and it looks fabulous over here. Hi.
What's up?
I think another 1 more kilometer left for the trek. Uske baad we'll keep you posted. Bye bye. So this is the entrance of Dudhsagar Falls. Nice. So we've reached there, and it is I think around 10 o'clock. We started our trek at 5:30 I think so, and it's 9:30, 10 right now, and we're going right for the falls now, which is I think 5-10 minutes more inside, and we'll have a good bath. Bye. दूधसागर फॉल्स एंड उसका जो नाम है दूधसागर, it completely does justice to the name. It looks like literally milk is falling down. In the Dudhsagar Falls right now and it's really fun. The water is pretty cold, काफ़ी ज़्यादा ठंडा है एंड बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. मेरे बाकी दोस्त अभी वहाँ पे रह गए हैं पर मेरे को पानी में नहाने का मन कर रहा था तो मैं आ गया. So we just finished our lunch over here and now we are headed back to Kulem station for our journey back to Dharwad. Bye. Finally finished our trek to Dudhsagar Falls and now we are heading back to Dharwad and we are in a general compartment right now. Somehow managed to get a seat one day before and now we're heading back. Overall it was a fantastic trip, sorry, not trip, and a lot of fun with my friends. We saw the waterfall. उसके अलावा we had to walk in lot of mud because it had rained the day before और there was a lot of water and because of the jeeps the entire path where we had to trek that becomes a little muddy, so had to do a lot of mud walk, but it was really fun and it was a great end to our trip and I'll keep you posted. I can't talk much because I am in a general compartment and you can see the kind of expressions people are giving me. So, bye bye. Can you see that orange tiny temple over there? That is the place where we had food. Hey guys, so I finally reached my room and I felt there were a few parts which I couldn't vlog, so I thought I'll just sum up our entire trip. So we left late night from Dharwad and we took a train to Kulem where we reached around 5 o'clock, after which we started the trek. The first 4 kilometers was along the railway track itself, followed by around another 4 kilometers into the forest, and we had a breakfast over there, after which we trekked again for around 3 kilometers and we had great fun at Dudhsagar Falls. All those who want to go to Dudhsagar Falls, I would definitely give it a thumbs up, and I think the difficulty level would be from easy to difficult. I think I would rate it as easy because mostly it's flat ground and not much of a trek, but yeah, it was really fun and Dudhsagar itself is very fantastic and fabulous to see, and moreover to have a bath in that cold water is even better. So we had a good time over there, after which we trekked back to Kulem station, and over there I actually tried a rosa omelette. I got to know that it's a delicacy or it is a speciality of Goa, so I would recommend you guys also to have a rosa omelette over there. After which we took a train from Kulem to Londa and from Londa to Dharwad back. So we reached here around 10 o'clock and now I'm in my room. So overall it was a great trip and I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Now I'm pretty tired and had lots of fun. Now I would like to check out. So all those who liked my video, I think I know that this was my first vlog and I hope you guys like it, and let me know where I should go next. Give me some suggestions, good suggestions. Some place near Karnataka and I would vlog about that soon. And all those who are not my subscribers, you can just hit that like button and press the subscribe button, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.